Try on another dress. Show her the other dresses.
Show me the other dresses. You want to see your other dresses?
Look at this
These are pretty.
Where are you going to wear that dress to?
Okay.
You're going to take it to church?
beautiful.
You're going to look like a princess, huh?
Mm-hmm. Here's a little flower in here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. I'm seeing another one down. These are pretty.
Yeah.
What are these?
It's a dress.
Is this another one?
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty.
It's this thing. This is different.
Yeah.
This is different. So I go check.
For your go to church dress?
Wow.
Okay, try on another dress now.
These are pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
You think I should wear it?
No.
No? What are they for?
For me.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing, Dana?
I'm looking at my phone.
Here, look at this.
Those are pretty.
Yeah.
These are the flowered ones.
Yeah.
I never wear this before.
What do you think? You like it?
Uh-huh.
Beautiful?
Those are pretty. Two flowers.
What do you think?
It's pretty. Look at Mom.
Wow, I love it. Are you going to be beautiful in it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I wear it?
No.
No.
No, I will wear it
You
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Where are you going tomorrow?
In church.
You're going to go to church? Okay.
Tomorrow.
Man, we're going to have to say thank you, Thea Freddy.
So
Yeah.
Daddy go first.
Yes, Freddy.
Say thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll tell Thea Freddy thank you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
You give her a big
Dear
kiss.
Freddie, no, tell her. Dear Freddie, you shouldn't have given it to Elisara. That was for me.
No, those for me.
Mm-hmm.